Hi, my name is Jayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to okay. Today I'm going to show you my current curly hair routine. I just took a shower. My hair is just washed and detangled. It's already starting to get a bit dry, so I will be wetting it again, which is why I always start by putting on this thick robe or a towel. Really just something to create a thick barrier between my wet hair and my clothes, because if not, it can get kind of messy really quickly. Next, I pull out my detangling brush. The one I'm using is the Wet Brush Epic Professional Quick Dry Brush. I know, it's a mouthful. But I'll put everything down in the description. So what I like about this brush is its size. It's a rather large brush, so I can reach a larger portion of my head at once. And I like that it's concave and that the bristles are longer than the regular wet brush, because then it can brush all the way down to the scalp. So I really only use two products for my hair, one for hydration and styling, which is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and for hold right now, I'm using the Aussie Instant Freeze Gel. Before I start, I always make sure I have at least one of these little jaw clips. They open really wide and hold a surprising amount of hair, and I actually got mine at the dollar store. So the first thing I do is section off the bottom layer of my hair, just all the way around my head. Sometimes I make it more like the bottom half of my hair. It just depends how much time I have and what I feel like doing, but I'm not picky about my sectioning. Then I'll just wrap the rest away in a bun and use my little clip to secure it. I always re-wet my hair before starting a new section, although I am going to cut it out of this video because that's kind of boring to watch. But I just make sure it's really wet, maybe not dripping, but really wet. I'm just doing it in the sink because I don't have a spray bottle. Then I take a little dollop, about a quarter-sized amount of product for about this size section, and I kind of spread it and heat it around in my hands and then work it into my hair. I'll add a bit more product if I feel like I missed a spot or in the areas where my hair is a bit drier. For these thinner pieces by my ears, I tend to just twist them away from my face into one larger curl. Otherwise, they will look a bit stringy and wispy if I do keep them separated. For the rest of my hair, I take vertical sections and comb through it with 3 fingers in this claw-like shape my hand is making. It's kind of strange, but it helps to separate my curls while also smoothing them down a bit. And then after I get each curl in the section to a place where I think it looks nice, I'll sometimes smooth it down again with my fingers, and then I will move on to the next section. You can already see the difference between the sections I've combed and smoothed versus the ones where I've just applied product. And some of you might be coming from my Denman brush video and wondering why I'm not using that. While I still like and occasionally use my Denman brush, I find that doing my hair like this helps me to retain my length and makes my hair look more natural. This way kind of just enhances my curl's natural shape, whereas I feel like the Denman brush tries to manipulate my hair into the springiest curl clump it can. And now I just do this throughout the rest of my hair. The whole process takes about 30 to 45 minutes depending on how quickly I go. It's not too long, but it's not, very short. It's kind of just right in the middle there, so I'm okay with doing this, every couple days. Now that I'm finished, I go ahead and scrunch my hair just to encourage each curl to actually curl, and then I scrunch the excess water out of my hair with a t-shirt. If I don't do this before I apply my gel, my hair will be far too wet and the gel will not hold my curls in place. Usually after scrunching and flipping my hair, I do have to recurl these front pieces, but that's okay. There's usually going to be a few pieces like that. Now I'm going to go in with the gel and just smooth it all over my curls as best as I can. I try to avoid scrunching at this phase as to retain length. You can already tell the difference in length on the side I just smoothed down with the gel and the side I just scrunched water out of. Smoothing also helps with the flyaways around my part and my baby hairs around my face. Alright, so that is my finished routine, and I will be back in a couple hours when my hair is dry. This is the finished look. My hair is pretty much dry. It's a little bit drier than I like, but that's because I didn't do, I didn't deep condition this time. I just styled it. Usually I shampoo, deep condition, I'll style my hair, and then I'll wear it like that for a few days. I just happen to not do it this time. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below what your favorite product is for your curly hair routine. I'd love to hear it because I want to try some new products in 2021. So your hair care routine staples are whatever you use. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want. You don't have to, but I'd like it if you did. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye.